Hey Liz, okay, so this is going to be how you would add text to a banner. So right now you can see this is the slider. Um, I'm going to be editing, I'm going to show you how to edit the slider with the logo right here. So basically you would want to go to edit page, and then to edit the slider, it's called full width slider, so you'd hit these three lines. These are the ones we added yesterday. Um, if you wanted to add a new one, you click that plus sign um, and select the image, and that's how you add it. I'm gonna edit one that we already put. So the logo image, I'm gonna click these three lines. You don't need to fill out the heading, but the button text, I'm just gonna write this is a button. This is where you would write any text that you want on the banner. So this is where you would write your text. This is if you want the button to link somewhere. So let's say I want it to link to the About Us page. I would just copy this, go back here, and paste it there. This is where you do the image, obviously. You can even make slides video. If you have a video on YouTube or something, you can put the YouTube link here or upload it to WordPress and use the image URL from WordPress. This is the background color of the banner. So you can see right now it's white for the shop local for your logo image. But let's say I want to change it. You just click on that white space. You can move this around, you can move this around, you can select these down here. I'm going to make it yellow. So that's how you change the background. You can also make the background a gradient. So basically you would just click here, and it would give you the option for this one and then this one, and then it'll show you the preview here. We just want it to be this for now. For the button design, click on design. You can pretty much mess with these. So you can change the color of the arrows for that banner. You can change, you pretty much just want to leave these alone. Text, you can change the orientation of the text. You can put a shadow, so let's try this shadow. It gives you a brief description of what each thing does. You can change the color, so let's do blue or whatever this color is and make it dark. You can change any of this for the button. Let's do the shadow again. You can change these. Make this blue, or let's make this red. Body text. So this was that where I wrote, this is the text on the banner. Let's make that text green. Let's make it center. Let's add this shadow. Once again, you can mess with all these. Button, so let's say you want the button to be to the right of the banner, so you would select this. Pretty much that's it. If you turn this on, then it will let you select the text color in the button. Let's make it this dark or this weird blue. The background color of the button, let's make it yellow, or no, let's make it pink. Button border, so if you want to add a border to the button, let's make it huge so you can see it, and I'll make it black. So now the button border's black. keep the font as default font weight. If you want, you can make it bold or whatever you want. Let's make it extra bold. Let's make it italic. You can choose this, so I'm going to do a thumbs up. Button icon color, let's make it this color. You know, all these you can kind of play with. You can pretty much just do whatever you want. Make that gray. And then let's do a shadow. Let's do this one. You can mess with these as well. Shadow color, that's fine. We'll leave that like that. So let's just see what we got here. So when you've done and edited it, you just hit save and then save and exit. And then update is right here. And here you go. So you can see this button is clickable. There's the icon here. You can see all those edits I made. I made that thick border. I made the hover color. Oops. The background is the gradient. This is the text. I chose that text color. The banner rotates automatically. That's why that's happening. Let me get back there. Yeah, so pretty much you can just kind of play around with it. And then you can see if you click on this button, it will take you to the About Us page. That's where I linked it. So let me know if you have any questions.